Thank you.
Mama and Papa. Here we go, honey.
Boy, ready.
What happened? Oh. She has a marker, honey. Is that right? Oh. Knock, knock. Knock, knock. Who's there? No Bonnie. No Bonnie who? No way. Are you kidding me?
Congratulations.
No way.
Wow.
That's a great reaction.
Why, it's like I just like out of nowhere.
Congratulations.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Did you get him to sign the child care form yet, Renee, or no?
I thought you were.
She's
I
retired.
thought you're the one that said that was it.
No, this one is it for me. Oh my God.
Peyton,
How you feeling?
When did you find out?
a while ago. We didn't tell anybody until we were really sure.
We haven't told anybody.
We didn't tell anybody yet. The first to tell. We were going to tell you both tonight, but Bonnie got sick.
Oh my God. I am like totally shocked.
Peyton, look at Daddy. Say, sister.
How big's your house now?
Big enough.
Did you make a bigger room?
We have a fourth room.
Oh my God. But you can't tell from this, can you?
Oh, what?
They can't tell if it's a boy or girl.
Yeah.
Oh my God. But you know what? It looks different.
No, that's like from a few weeks ago.
But it looks different than from hers and hers.
That's because that's from like a few weeks ago.
No, the whole thing looks good.
Yeah, the whole. All right, here we go.
It's a black and white blob.
Oh my God. No, but just the idea that picture's just. Do they, Renee? Do they know?